How was your day today? Leave number 2 if it's great, or number 1 if it's not good. It's wonderful to have you back on the Hunt Wild Adventures channel. Have you ever noticed those strange tracks tearing through your garden, or the unsettling sound of snorting coming from the woods at night? Well, that might just be our unwelcome guest, the wild boar. These bristly invaders are causing havoc across America, with an estimated 9 million of them rooting up our farms and landscapes. It's costing us a whopping $1.5 billion a year, not to mention the extra billions the government spends on controlling them. This is a real problem, and it's hitting all of us hard. In today's video, we'll explore how farmers and hunters are addressing the wild boar problem using traps and helicopters. If you're ready for this adventure, drop a number 1 in the comments. Hold on. Before we jump in, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more informative videos. Now grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Traps play a vital role in the fight against wild boars. These devices, strategically placed in areas frequented by boars, capture them alive. Once trapped, these boars can be relocated or humanely euthanized, helping to control their population over time. The key to success is effective trap placement and regular monitoring. Helicopters provide a unique aerial advantage, allowing hunters to spot and track wild boars from above. Equipped with specialized hunting gear, these aerial teams can swiftly and efficiently reduce boar numbers, minimizing property damage and ensuring humane management. I think this is not just a fight for farmers or just the state of Texas being seriously attacked. This is a fight to protect the prosperity of the entire United States. Please show your gratitude to the hunters and farmers who sacrifice for this country by leaving the word "thank you" in the comments below. Together we can put an end to the wild boar invasion. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating and educational content. God bless America. Thanks for watching and see you next time.